Hey everyone, today I will be reviewing on Eskiin shower head. Is it worth it or actually scam? Let's find out. Make sure to stay with us until the end. The Eskiin shower head promotes high pressure water flow, mineral filtration, and even features like 360-degree rotation and massage modes. It sounds like a spa level upgrade right in your bathroom. Many users say it feels great, especially the pressure and mist settings. Some mention softer skin and smoother hair, possibly thanks to the built-in filters that claim to reduce chlorine and impurities. But here's the catch. Similar shower heads are available under different names across various online stores, often for much lower prices. Some customers also report delayed shipping, inconsistent build quality, and no way to reach customer service if something goes wrong. If you're tempted by the sleek design and promises, just know you're likely paying for branding, not a totally unique product. So is the Eskiin shower head worth it? If you're looking for a basic upgrade with decent pressure and filtration, it might do the trick, but manage your expectations. It's not a miracle device, and if you want to save money, consider checking reviews of similar models before you buy.